Hey, what's up? It's Chris. Hey, look. Hey, Chris. Look.
Why?
Anyways, so we're here. We're about to discuss some stuff for the beach thing we're doing tomorrow. And Hunter just went upstairs. Elliot's making his
Huh?
I thought we did so.
Yeah, I am. Just
Man, dude, he's so at home in this kitchen. Dang, he knows where all the knives and everything are. Wow, you come here too much.
huh?
Don't you have to clean?
Doing what? No.
Hey guys, so filming again. This time got Elliot and wait, who made it? Is primarily Elliot, right?
What?
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 Look at this delicious plate of fries. None of that disgusting shit that McDonald's comes up with.
Did you
It's
call my food the disgusting shit that McDonald's comes up with?
no, I said not like.
Oh, heard that.
You praised your food, sir.
Man, I was worried he'd shoot me if I said otherwise.
Is it good?
Sarah and we got Hunter making a sandwich with
My dad.
like for his dad, deli fresh mesquite turkey breast.
He's his dad's bitch.
I thought isn't every son their dad's bitch technically?
No, I am not my dad's bitch. No.
Excluding some, of
All
course.
of us are daddies, you know. D-I-T-C-H.
For some reason, I don't want you saying that, Sarah.
My dad told me to go to
Oh, you're not filming this.
I'm not. What's up? See this guy with me? He's the most amazing SNSD dancer I've ever met in my entire life. He's my idol. He's my idol.
I'm gonna kill you if I see this in one of your vlogs.
Oh, he's amazing. I love you, Elliot. Teach me.
I hate this guy.
Tell me. What's up? Chilling in Hunter's room.
That's totally not good.
What the heck?
Better not be looking at my Facebook.
No, of course not.
Chris, you muscle.
No, she's not.
I'm trying to figure out how to get on Facebook.
Google Maps. Oh
I'm trying to figure out how to get on Facebook.
Give me.
Do you want to switch?
No, I don't want to switch. We gotta figure this out.
Well, that's all.
Alright, so, so going to the beach tomorrow. So we need to figure
You
out.
still talking to yourself, John?
Yes, I'm still talking about myself. You suck! God damn, why you guys say it so bluntly? Anyways, yeah.
Okay. It says, Whose side of the same?